Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to reset your Gmail password directly from your iPhone. Whether you have forgotten your password or simply want to update it, this step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the process. Let's get started. First of all, unlock your iPhone and connect your device with the internet, either Wi-Fi or data. Once you are connected with the internet, now locate the Chrome browser icon on your home screen. In the Chrome browser, navigate to the Gmail website by typing gmail.com in the address bar and hitting enter. The Gmail sign-in app page will load. You will see the section to enter your Gmail account. So type Gmail account on the given section. Once you type your Gmail account of which you want to reset the password, now go for the next option. Now here you will see the option to enter your password. Here we don't know our password, so that we have to go through the forgot password option. So tap on forgot password to initiate the password reset process. Here, you have given the option to enter the last password you remember. If you don't know, try the another way. Depending on your account recovery option, you may be asked to verify your identity through various methods such as receiving a verification code via text message or email, answering security questions, or using another way recovery option. Follow the on-screen instruction to verify your identity. I would prefer to get the verification code via the text, so tap on the text option. You will receive the verification code on your number. Go through it. So, enter this verification code in this section and go for the next. After successfully verifying your identity, you will be prompted to create a new password for your Gmail account. Enter your new password and confirm it by typing it again. Once you have entered your new password, tap on the Save Password to finalize the password reset process. Now that your password has been successfully changed, you get to log back into your Gmail account on your iPhone through your new password. And here it is. You have successfully reset your Gmail password directly from your iPhone using the Chrome browser. Remember to keep your new password secure and consider using a password manager for added convenience and security. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.